Welcome to our channel Pinch of Everything. Today we have an exciting recipe to share with you, Veg Biryani. Before we dive into the cooking process, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the recipe. Your support means a lot to us. To begin, wash 1 cup of rice with water 2-3 times and soak it for 20 to 30 minutes. While the rice is resting, let's marinate the veggies. In a bowl, combine beans, onion, carrot, green peas along with 1 cardamom and ginger garlic paste. After that, add half a cup of curd and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, and with that add 2 to 3 tablespoon melted ghee. Now it's time to add some spices: 1 tablespoon biryani masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Finally, add coriander leaves. Mix everything well, ensuring the veggies are coated with the marinade. Once it's combined, let's keep it aside and prepare the rice for boiling. In a pot, add water enough to cook the rice. Add cloves, black pepper, cardamom and a bay leaf to enhance the rice flavor. Once the water is boiling, add the soaked rice to the pot. Let the rice cook until it's 70-80% cooked. Drain the partially cooked rice and set it aside. Now, if you are enjoying this recipe, we kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more delicious recipes like this one. And now we are heading towards the final step, that is dum cooking. Layer the marinated veggies at the bottom of the pan. Add the partially cooked rice on top of the veggies. Spread the layer of the rice with the help of a hand or a spatula. Finally, sprinkle coriander and mint leaves along with fried onions and drizzle some saffron water on the topmost layer. Cover the pan with tight-fitted lid to seal in the flavors. Cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the biryani to steam and flavors to blend together. Once the biryani is cooked, gently fluff the rice and mix it with the veggies. Garnish it with fresh coriander and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious veg biryani recipe, and thanks for joining us in the kitchen today and trying out this recipe. We hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support and feedback means the world to us. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes coming your way. Happy cooking!